Hi everyone, I'll be taking you to one of our luxury completed projects today, the interior project that we've done at Island City Center, which is located in Dadar, Mumbai. The project is around 2200 square feet and is a 4 BHK. So basically, the material that we've used is quite high end, and the design that has come out is also very pretty and very luxurious. So let me take you to the tour and just let me know how and what are your thoughts about it.
The color palette of this residence is brown, beige, and a few pop of cool colors with a tinge of gloss gold to it. Each wall and accent piece is handcrafted via us, giving some personal touch. This TV wall with highlighting marble and lights in it makes the space stand out even more. We've also used a few wooden covering along with 18 mm SS pipe to elevate the wall design, making it look luxurious yet subtle. We also do a lot of styling that you can see on the table. Also, these fabric panels are actually full height storage concealed so neatly. The serene and peaceful mandir is just so perfect with Chauda Sapnas. Let me take you to the son's room, who's almost 5 years old. They wanted a playful yet a space which is, not too kidsy. So we've put these amazing clay heads behind the bed back wall with full height shutters in tones of blue and cream. We also got this dedicated sitting space on the other side that's made next to the wardrobe with the Kavir name engraved in it for him to cherish the space. Next up is the parents' bedroom where we've used fabric paneling paired with irregular sized of SS gold sheet with neutral color palette reflecting their personality. And on the opposite wall, we've done marble TV panel with a console unit underneath. This corner is perfect for the couple to sip a cup of coffee and relax after a hectic day. This L shaped wardrobe is again finished in PU, and the gold handles are perfectly highlighting the space. Next up is the master bedroom with automated curtains and bright light wall on extreme right side. The room embraces luxury with the color palette used. The client was keen on having a swing in the room, and here are we. This is how we incorporated it with a lounger and centerpiece. The TV wall in this room is in different level and finished in exotic marble. We've got the wardrobes perfectly flushed in the alley, giving a neater vibe, and mirror wall on the opposite end to it. The fourth room was converted into a formal study space where they could keep extra storage space and also accommodate any guest visit. A perfect study console with paneled walls and a highlighting bookshelf with light fixture in it. The opposite sofa wall actually has a sofa cum bed which can easily converted into a bed when required. The vibe of the entire room is again in browns, creams, and blacks. Black is the highlighting color in this room that we've used. Next up is the last area, and that's the kitchen space where we've used acrylic laminates along with soft close fittings for ease in access. The grey and green shutters are bold yet undertoned, making it look classy and sassy.
So this was the project that was talking about, and it has turned out pretty amazing. Also wanted to share that when we do the entire project, we also do the styling along with it because it's very important. Without the styling, the space that you visualize initially it will not come out the way that you planned. So in all our projects, we also do styling along with interiors, which makes it a good package deal as well. So do let me know your comments in the section below and follow us for more such interior renovations.